Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Serve. We're here back today at Next Level Automotive, where we are stripping the car, getting it ready for going for sandblasting and getting the chassis straightened up. You can see behind me here they've removed the engine. The engine just came out the last few days while I was at work, so the guys have been busy here already taking it apart. Everything is looking good. This is where the damaged part is. You can see what happened over there. This whole front end here is going to have to be re-welded back in again, as well as this whole front piece over here. But this is what you can see now. The transmission's been removed down there, so you can see that the whole drive shaft through there has been removed. There's the exhaust over there has been disconnected as well. There's all the brake lines here from the ABS, the vacuum pump down there. So you can see here, it's all starting to come apart here. Everything's coming apart. The right side's come up as well. And there's the motor standing over there. So you can have a look here and you can see, this is where the clutch is connecting to the gearbox. And then you can see over here where the oil was dripping a little bit on the engine back here. It was all but covered in oil, and that was actually coming from the tablet cover over here. So that's going to have to be replaced with a new seal. But we're actually going to send this whole engine away, and we're going to redo this whole engine for a turbo build. So we're going to have the whole motor open up, replace some of the internals, make sure the internals are being good. New pistons, new conrods, new valves, new cams, and everything inside here is going to be replaced, as well as a new clutch. We're going to go with a competition clutch as well. So this whole motor is going to be sent away and be worked on. We're going to do a new exhaust manifold for a turbo, and that's going to be built out here by the guys at Next Level Automotive. So that's really exciting, guys. Stay tuned and see what's happening for the rest of the build. I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date as we go along. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. Check out this beautiful R34 that's been painted by Next Level, imported and painted. It's owned by Jordy. On his Instagram there you can see Jordy_SAV. You check him out. R34 is beautiful. So it's an RB35?
Yes.
RB35 motor. It's a GT spec. But look at this color, man. The color is absolutely beautiful. Bit hard to see it in the rain and in the dark, but check out those beautiful rims, man. Also goes so well with the color of the paint. Stunning color of the car, man. And there you go, Next Level Automotive, man. This is the kind of work that these guys do. Absolutely beautiful. Bit of a neon underglow green, underglow lights there. Look at that. Check it out. Proper Need for Speed style. I love it, man. It's great. It's just beautiful. Yeah, the underglow really suits it, man. It's super sick.
Yeah, it's good.
It looks awesome, bro. It's so great. It's such a cool car to have, man. Proper Need for Speed style, man. There's a nice dog in the car to say hello to. Say hello. Say hello. Oh man, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. These cars are such collector's items, man. I really want to get me one of these days. Beautiful bucket seats as well from Sparco. Gives a nice bolster support there. Oh, it's lovely, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Super, they've just painted in also a beautiful midnight purple color. You can see the bluey purple color here. It looks awesome. Real great stuff here these guys do at this place. Paint jobs are just fantastic. Can you have a look here? They've got a Del Sol over here being repainted in Luma lime green color. This car is awesome. Check this thing out. Brand new spray coat. The whole car has been stripped out. Even the valve cover has been repainted green. You can see the guys inside here in the paint shop busy repainting and spraying all the body parts. You can have a look in there. They're working now, spraying all those body parts. What a sick job in there. So my car's going to go back in there when it comes back from the sandblasters to get everything sprayed up. So these guys over here make some real special paint colors. As we spoke about before, we're going to do a really cool paint job. This is the color that I am going for with this car. I think it's this one. Yeah, 4815. You can have a look over here. That's what the color is going to look like. And in the in the shadow it's a bit purple. So it's blue to the look, and then purple at an angle. So that's pretty much what you're going to see there. Blue over there, and then at an angle it's going to be more of a purpley touch. So that should be really cool, real special. And that's the one over here, 4815. These guys are going to do this paint color for us over the carbon fiber of the body kit. We're going to do a wide body kit from Jay's Racing, and that's going to be real special. So those are all the different colors these guys do over here. It looks really sick, and that's the one I want. Really perfect. He has a nice midnight purple color as well. So real special colors, guys. Let me know what you think about the colors, and if you got any questions, put it in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see. I'll be trying to film as much as I can along the process. So stay in touch, guys. If you want to have a look a bit more about the cars, there's a couple of Supras in here they're working on at the moment. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'll give you guys some cool features here about what's happening at the moment. Here's another Supra rebuild. They've built from the ground up again, from scratch, guys. So I mean, these cars are gorgeous. There's another Supra here being built up as well. That's going to be sprayed blue. That's the color they're going to go for inside here as well. They're respraying this whole chassis, this whole car. So this is what these guys do. They specialize in sports cars, and that's why I'm taking my car to these guys. I trust them to do the work. They're doing a wide body Supra here as well, respraying this. This is known as the Blue Supra on Instagram. It's owned by the shop owner Jan van Ginkel. So be sure to check out his Instagram page. This car is very special, really a beautiful car. Engine's out standing over there. There's another car up here as well, and they've got a couple of cool projects they're working on here as well. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the storage room upstairs above the workshop. This is where all the parts are being kept. So you can see here I've got a little shelf up here for all my car parts that's coming off the car. So everything that's being stripped off, you can see, is going to be kept up here. We're going to see what needs replacing, what needs to go back in. These coilovers definitely need replacing. These are rusty and old. We're going to throw those away. Those are terrible. Probably the reason why we crashed in the first place. Here's the drive shaft. You've got the steering arm, the steering rack over here, which is also terrible. We need to be thrown out. Here's the intake pipe. You got some of the radiators here from the AC. There's the other radiator, also going to be chucked out, all rusted and old. Replacing that with a Mitsumoto Racing. Some of your wheel arch liners, the other front headlamp that was still intact. The wheel arch liners, you can see here, here's the right side fender that's come off, the front bumper. Here's the wiper motor, as well as the bent strut bar. You can see here where the strut bar bent from the impact there, saved a bit of the chassis. The side you can see there's no bend, so that definitely took a bit of a hit from the impact, luckily saving a bit of the shock tower. There's one of the doors that just came off now, so we're getting there slowly but surely, stripping it down. Here's some of the step sills from inside the car. So yeah, we're going to just take everything apart, and hopefully in the next few weeks we have new parts and put it all back together again, and it'll look good as new. Alright, we got the seats out. There's the one seat, there's the other seat. Seat belts are out. We're getting the roof out now, making some space for ourselves to work in the car here, stripping out the interior, center console, getting all the wiring from the speakers out, radios out, coming around here, having a look at the boot, stripping out here to get to the fuel pump at the back here, taking out the spare wheel, space saver spare wheel. There's the seat back there. These are all going to be sold. We're putting new bucket seats in the back there as well. You can see here I'm starting to remove some of the carpet and the interior trim here in the back. So it's looking good. Starting to get a bit more clean inside here. This whole piece here is going to be coming out inside. The carpet's a bit wet at the bottom there. You can have a look here. There's this transmission tunnel. There's your gear boot. Transmission's gone. There's your little mobilizer, handbrakes, center console. There's your gear shifter knob. This thing weighs so much. It is like really heavy. I think it must weigh like 1 kilogram or maybe 1.5 kilograms. It's crazy. Alright guys, the roof is out. The roof is out. We finally managed to get the roof out. There were so many screws back here, man. All the way along back there was so many screws. We were busy here for ages trying to get the roof out. Now we can get the roll bars out. The center console is nicely out now. Starting to look like a stripped car. So, and there's the fuel pump back here. And there's the fuel lines. So yeah, it's starting to come along. There's the roof laying over there. Seen better days, it's a bit moldy, but otherwise it's all good, still in working order. Alright guys, that's the end of the day. Everything we can get out as much as possible. Tomorrow we strip out the rest of the dash and all the small loose bits, but this is what it's looking like now. We took out the steering column, steering instrument cluster here. Still going to go out tomorrow. The roof came out, the roll bars, seats, the trunk lid, yeah, all the small bits and pieces at the back here. It's looking a lot better. Doors came off today. Front end was taken off earlier on in the week with the engine. So that's how it's looking like now. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching today. And be sure to stay tuned for the rest of the build as it comes along. Thanks for now, until next time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Cheers.